In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a website on GoDaddy step by step, even if you've never done it before. If you already have your website files ready, this process is actually pretty simple once you know where to click. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload the files, extract them properly, and make sure your website opens correctly on your GoDaddy hosting account. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your product page. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the web hosting section. Next to your hosting account, click Manage. This will take you into your hosting dashboard, where you can access the tools you need to upload your website files. Now look for cPanel Admin, or if your hosting plan shows File Manager directly under the Tools section, click that instead. The File Manager is where all of your website files are stored, and this is where you'll place your live site content. Once File Manager opens, you'll see a folder list. Double-click the public/html folder. This is very important because public.html is the root directory for your live website. Any files that need to appear on your domain must be placed in this folder. Before uploading, make sure your website files are organized properly on your computer. If your site has multiple folders like CSS, JavaScript, images, or other assets, it's best to compress everything into a single zip file first. This makes the upload process much easier and helps keep your files together. If your website is already in one folder, you can zip that folder before uploading it. Once your zip file is ready, go back to the File Manager and click the Upload button at the top. A new upload window will open. From here, you can either drag and drop your zip file into the window or click Select File and browse your computer to locate it. Choose the file and let the upload begin. Now wait for the upload progress bar to reach 100% and turn green. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once it finishes, your zip file will appear inside the public/html folder. If you don't see it right away, go back to the public/html directory and click Refresh. This will update the folder view so you can confirm the file uploaded successfully. After that, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract. When prompted, make sure the destination path is set to public.html. That way, your website files will be extracted into the correct live directory. After the extraction is complete, check your files carefully. One of the most important things to confirm is that your main homepage file is named exactly index.html or index.php. This is the file your domain will load first when someone visits your website. If your homepage file has a different name, your site may not open correctly. If needed, you can rename the file inside File Manager so it matches the correct homepage format. Also, double-check that all your folders and assets were extracted properly and are sitting in the right place inside public.html. If everything looks good, your website should now be uploaded and ready to view. At this point, open your domain in a browser and test it. If your homepage loads and your design appears correctly, then you've successfully uploaded your website on GoDaddy. If something looks off, it usually means a file path, folder location, or homepage file name needs to be corrected, and that's it. You've now learned how to upload a website on GoDaddy using File Manager, how to place your files to set files in public/html, and how to extract your zip file the right way. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple hosting and website guides, and I'll see you in the next one.